Assalamu alaikum, sister. Is she okay?
Wa alaikum salam. She's been coughing
I have
non-stop.
an essential oil that helps sometimes.
May I let her smell it?
Yes, please.
Just a little under her nose, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Wasn't that a powerful video? I'm here because I had to kind of come back behind my AI twin. She didn't quite get it right. Qadrallah ma shafa'al. So the reason I'm having to come behind her is because it looked like the little girl was smacking my hand away. And that's not exactly what happened. So let me clarify. So I was at this event, I was vending, and Alhamdulillah, I had my essential oils with me. And the specific one she needed. So I kept hearing this baby girl coughing and crying. I mean, it's just, it was like non-stop. And so I found the mother and I asked her, I said, would you mind if I allow her to smell my essential oils? And she said no. So she called her daughter to us. I then opened the bottle. She wants you to smell this. So after about a minute, wallahi, she stopped coughing and crying. So I thought, job done. And I was getting ready to put it away. And the little girl herself grabbed my hand and would not let me move it. And she wanted to continue to smell it. Alhamdulillah, Allahumma barik. And I said, you see that? She's like, yeah. And so again, I'm emphasizing that she was able to breathe, stop coughing and crying, and continue playing. Alhamdulillah, Allahumma barik. So if you found that inspirational and you're ready to have such a transformation, or you know someone that's ready to have such a transformation with this cold flu thing going on right now, especially, or they have asthma or bronchitis, I got you. Just comment below the word essential oils, and I got you, inshallah.